Okay, I'm Laura Chipley. I'm one of the artists of the Newtown Creek Armada. This project is a collaboration between 3 artists, Nate Kensinger, Sarah Nelson Wright, and myself. And the 3 of us had been doing work about the industry and the waterfront in the area. And it turned out that we all sort of had this love and fascination for the Newtown Creek.
We invited the public out to a boat pond on the Newtown Creek, and we had a fleet of small remote control boats that were about 3 feet long that the public could pilot around through the waters of the Newtown Creek. And each of the boats was equipped with a waterproof camera that was filming either above at the water's level or just below water level.
We really wanted people to be able to interact with the waterfront and the Newtown Creek in a meaningful way and in a positive way, because it's a Superfund site and there are a lot of sort of negative things that are associated with it. And also give people a little bit of a picture of what the infrastructure of their city looks like, because I think this is one of the things about our city that is very hidden, and because people don't know a lot about it, they don't really feel that they have a stake in it or much of a voice in sort of how the infrastructure impacts the rest of the city.
Then in 2013 we were approached by a group that is an engineering lab that has a project on the Gowanus Canal, which is another Superfund site here in Brooklyn. And their project is called Brooklyn Atlantis, and they wanted us to team up and work on something here on the Gowanus Canal. But for Gowanus Voyage, we came down to the Gowanus Canal and did a one-day event in the summer of 2013, where we launched out several of our boats alongside this robot that the scientists from NYU Poly had built. And we had the public come out and pilot those boats. But what was different with Gowanus Voyage is that we worked with the scientists to really take our boats to the next level and equip them with different sensors to measure different water quality pollution levels, and also various GPS systems and Arduinos to kind of control the boats in different creative ways. On the day that we did Gowanus Voyage, we were measuring 4 different things. We were measuring pH levels, conductivity, temperature, and also oxygenation levels. And those are all things that the EPA recommends that people sort of measure in these Superfund sites to determine if life can return to these Superfund sites. So basically the Gowanus Voyage piece is in an exhibit right now at a place called Proteus Gowanus, which is right here on the banks of the Gowanus Canal. And then the Newtown Creek Armada is having its own exhibit in Dumbo right now.
And Remote Voyages is a video installation using footage generated by the Newtown Creek Armada, some of the footage generated by the public at the boat pond, as well as footage taken on journeys with the North Brooklyn Boat Club down to remote parts of the Newtown Creek. The footage shows the 3 main tributaries of the creek, which includes Maspeth Creek, Dutch Kills, and the English Kills, as well as footage from the main channel. You can see a lot of the active industry, and footage from Whale Creek, where we conducted the Newtown Creek Armada. So in Remote Voyages, each boat is showing, projecting video of their journey through the creek. You can see a point of view of the creek that you're not able to see from the shore. The footage is taken both by the public at the Newtown Creek Armada and also by us artists going out with the North Brooklyn Boat Club to more remote areas of the creek.
And the next step for the project, we'd love to continue to expand kind of out into these different scientific directions to make the boats even more about citizen science and about exploring these polluted waterways, but also documenting and measuring the levels of pollution that's happening in them.